how can I, as a homeschool mom, I have this blessing that I've got my kids at home around me all day. How can I take advantage of this opportunity to give them some of these traits that honestly are going to make them stand out?
In the world of character training and character traits, are there any that you feel like are really vital to train into our kids to kind of make part of our daily lessons that are kind of stand out more than others?
Yes, I think that just by looking at the culture today, and we hear people talking about the things that are really lacking in today's youth. And I know I always feel kind of like an old lady when I say that, like kids these days, but it's true. And because
we're there, Monica.
Right? I have these three young adult, similar to you, I have these three young adult sons, but then I still have this 15-year-old, and I cannot deny that there is a difference in the world he's growing up in and the world his older brothers grew up in. There's a 6.5-year gap between son number 3 and son number 4 for me. And I think there's just such a spirit of entitlement today. Also, just that quick fix. Nobody wants to wait on anything, including me. I confess it's an area I'm working on all the time because life is so immediate. You push a button, you ask Siri, you just get answers so quick. So I would say when you look around you and say, what are the things that are lacking? And how can I, as a homeschool mom, I have this blessing that I've got my kids at home around me all day. How can I take advantage of this opportunity to give them some of these traits that honestly are going to make them stand out in the world when they go to apply for a job, when they go to apply for college, when they are, building relationships? Some really simple things will make them stand out. You've probably seen, even on social media, how people talk about just being able to give eye contact, just being able to be a listener, to show interest in other people is so lacking right now in today's youth culture that if we can teach our kids to be thoughtful, to give that eye contact, to be patient, delayed gratification is one of the qualities I love to focus on in my boys because it's really hard today because everything's so immediate. So I think that giving them some opportunities to practice that, and you can do it again by the things you're doing at home, asking them to wait with patience. When you see them being impatient, talking about it, talking about scriptures that speak to each of these things. We have that opportunity as homeschool parents. And I think the other thing I'll just throw in while we're here is if you have more than one child, then the sibling relationship is a great one to use to build character. And I know that having 4 boys, competition's a big deal in my home. Everybody's always competing for everything. And one verse that I love to point out to my boys is from Romans 12:10, I believe it is. But it talks about how we should love one another with brotherly affection, it says. And it talks about aiming to out-honor one another. And that's my paraphrasing. But I love to say, listen, if you're going to compete for anything, try to outdo one another with brotherly affection, with honor. And so I'm like, you want to compete? Let's see how much character we can have, because mom's going to notice that. Mom's going to call it out. Mom's going to bless you when I see you out-honoring one another. And so does that work first time, every time? No. But I think that focusing on some of the things that God's word has to say about what really matters, and then really encouraging that, speaking life into it when we see it, and encouraging our boys, our kids, boys and girls, is going to really be effective in the long run. Maybe not in one day, but if you continue to do that, it does make an impact.
Homeschool Insights is brought to you by Apologia, BJU Press Homeschool, and CTC Math. Visit the show notes to learn more about these excellent homeschooling resources. And for more encouragement, listen to the Schoolhouse Rocked podcast at schoolhouserocked.com.